There's nowhere left to go. So you don't have to walk the lonely highways all alone. And anytime you call me, you know I'll be right home. Thought about a few things that I just can't live without. See, there is no doubt, but my heart burns with desires for your love. Each night I lie awake, but that's when it really hurts. Sometimes I think I'm gonna really need a nurse. If there's pain that's anywhere, I'm gonna have to make some changes. Now that we're living separate lives, makes no sense keep chasing. Try my best to hide my feeling, but I didn't change my heart's desire. Every time I see your face, I come alive. Gave you all I have now, but that's still not enough. Thought I made a few steps forward, but it seems now I'm drowning in your ocean. Still can't quench my thirst. See, I don't know why, but my heart burns with desire. Each night I lie awake, but that's when it really hurts. Sometimes I think I'm gonna really need a nurse. If my pain gets any worse, even if it takes a million voices to say the words I need to say. Every time that I get closer, something else gets in the way. Now I don't know what to do, and I'm falling into you. That's why I say, burns with desires for your love. Each night,
You unafaa kusimama and just soak your eyes hadi uchoke, then you drive home. Wallahi, if you
Hii inajua ni kama therapy.
unasimama unakaa hivi hadi uchoke, and you go home.
Hii kitu ni therapy.
It is so beautiful man.
Labda ikuanze place kubwa.
Yeah.
Ano wake soma na itwenda. Leo kwa ni baba mimi hapa.
Haya, tumesikia ngoma. Taimo.